Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learning English USA. I am Jessica, and I am very happy to have you here with me today. In this lesson, we are going to practice daily English speaking practice with easy conversations for beginners at the A1 and A2 levels. If you are learning English and you want to speak more naturally in your daily life, this lesson is perfect for you. Today, we will practice simple conversations about everyday situations. We will talk about greetings, morning routines, shopping, work, food, making plans, asking for help, and talking with friends. Please listen carefully to every sentence. You do not need to understand everything perfectly the first time. Just listen, repeat, and practice. Remember, speaking English is like building a small habit every day. The more you listen and speak, the more comfortable you will become. So take a deep breath, relax, and let us begin our daily English speaking practice. Let us start with a very common situation. You meet someone in the morning. You can say good morning. The other person can say good morning. How are you today? You can answer I am good, thank you. How about you? The other person may say I am doing well. It is nice to see you. You can say it is nice to see you too. These sentences are very simple, but they are extremely useful in everyday English. Try to repeat them slowly. Good morning. How are you today? I am good, thank you. How about you? I am doing well. It is nice to see you. It is nice to see you too. You can use these expressions at school, at work, in your neighborhood, or when you meet a friend. Now let us practice a short conversation between two people. Imagine that you are meeting your friend in the morning. You say good morning, Sarah. How are you? Your friend says good morning. I am fine, thank you. How are you? You say I am great. I slept well last night. Your friend says that is good to hear. Are you busy today? You say yes, I have a few things to do, but I am not too busy. Your friend says that sounds good. Have a nice day. You say thank you. You have a nice day too. This is a simple conversation, but it is very useful. Notice how easy the sentences are. You do not need difficult vocabulary to have a conversation in English. Simple English can help you communicate clearly. Now let us talk about your morning routine. You can describe your morning using simple sentences. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make breakfast. I drink coffee. I check my phone. Then I leave home. These are common sentences that you can use every day. Let us practice them together. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make breakfast. I drink coffee. I leave home at 8 o'clock. Excellent. Try saying these sentences again without looking at the screen. This is a great way to improve your speaking and memory. Now imagine that you are talking to a friend about your morning. Your friend asks, what time do you wake up? You say, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Your friend asks, what do you do after you wake up? You say, I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. Your friend asks, do you eat breakfast? You say, yes, I usually eat breakfast at home. Your friend asks, what do you usually eat? You say, I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit. This is a very natural daily conversation. You can change the food and the time to match your real life. Next, let us practice English at a coffee shop. Imagine that you walk into a small coffee shop in the morning. The worker says hello. What can I get for you? You say, I would like a cup of coffee, please. The worker asks, would you like milk? You say, yes, please. A little milk. The worker asks, would you like anything else? You say, yes. I would like a sandwich, please. The worker says, sure. That will be $8. You say, here you are. The worker says, thank you. Have a nice day. You say, thank you. You too. This conversation is useful when you travel, work, or visit an English-speaking country. Practice the sentence, I would like a cup of coffee, please. You can replace coffee with tea, juice, or water. Now let us practice shopping. Imagine that you are in a supermarket. You need some food for dinner. You see a worker and ask, excuse me. Where can I find the vegetables? The worker says they are in aisle 5. You say thank you. Then you go to aisle 5. You see tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and carrots. You want to buy tomatoes, so you ask, how much are these tomatoes? The worker says they are $3 a kilo. You say, okay. I will take 1 kilo, please. This is a simple shopping conversation. Important expressions include excuse me, where can I find, how much is this, how much are these, and I will take 1. Now imagine that you are at the checkout. The cashier says hello. Did you find everything you needed? You say yes, thank you. The cashier asks, do you need a bag? You say yes, please. The cashier tells you the total. You pay and say thank you. Have a good day. The cashier says you too. These small conversations happen every day. If you practice them regularly, you will become more confident. Now let us talk about work. Imagine that you arrive at work in the morning. Your coworker says, good morning. How are you? You say, I am good, thank you. How about you? Your coworker says, I am doing well. Are you ready for today? You say, yes, I am ready. I have a lot of work to do today. Your coworker asks, what are you working on? You say, I am working on a new project. It is interesting, but it is a little difficult. Your coworker says, I am sure you can do it. You say, thank you. I will do my best. This is a useful conversation for people who work in an office, a store, a school, or another workplace. Let us practice some useful workplace sentences. I am busy right now. I will call you later. Can you help me, please? I need some information. I have a question. Could you explain that again? I understand. I do not understand. I will finish it today. I will send it this afternoon. These sentences are simple and powerful. Do not be afraid to use them. When you do not understand something, you can simply say, could you say that again, please? This is much better than staying silent. Now let us talk about food and restaurants. Imagine that you are having lunch with a friend. Your friend asks, what would you like to eat? You say, I would like a chicken sandwich. Your friend asks, would you like something to drink? You say, yes, I would like some water. Your friend says I want a salad. You say that sounds good. Do you like this restaurant? Your friend says yes, I come here often. You say the food is very good. This conversation is easy to remember. You can change the food and drinks depending on what you like. Now imagine that you are at a restaurant. The waiter says hello. Are you ready to order? You say yes, I am ready. I would like the chicken, please. The waiter asks, would you like rice or potatoes? You say rice, please. The waiter asks anything to drink? You say water, please. Thank you. These simple sentences can help you feel more confident when ordering food in English. Now let us practice talking about the weather. Weather is one of the easiest conversation topics. You can start by saying it is a beautiful day today. Your friend may say yes, the weather is really nice. You can ask, is it going to rain today? Your friend may say, I do not think so. The sky is clear. You can also say it is very hot today. It is cold today. It is raining. It is windy. It is cloudy. The weather is perfect today. These expressions are easy, and you can use them almost anywhere. Now let us practice making plans with a friend. Your friend asks, what are you doing this weekend? You say, I am not sure yet. What about you? Your friend says, I am going to the park on Saturday. Would you like to come? You say yes, that sounds great. What time are you going? Your friend says around 10 in the morning. You say okay. I will meet you there at 10. Your friend says great. See you Saturday. You say see you then. This is a very common conversation. You can use it when making plans for the weekend, going shopping, watching a movie, or visiting a friend. Now let us practice asking for help. Imagine that you are in a new place and you do not know where to go. You can say, excuse me. Can you help me? The person says sure. What do you need? You say, I am looking for the train station. The person says it is near the main road. Go straight and turn left. You say thank you very much. The person says you are welcome. This conversation is especially useful when you travel. Let us now practice talking about your free time. Someone asks, what do you like to do in your free time? You can say, I like watching movies. I also like listening to music. Sometimes I read books. Another person may ask, do you play any sports? You can say yes, I like playing football. Or you can say no, I do not play sports, but I like walking. You can also say I like cooking, drawing, traveling, learning English, or spending time with my family. These are simple ways to talk about yourself. Now let us practice a phone conversation. Your phone rings. You answer hello. This is Jessica. How can I help you? Your friend says, hi Jessica. It is Anna. How are you? You say, I am good. How are you? Anna says, I am fine. Are you free this evening? You say yes, I think so. Why? Anna says, I want to go for coffee. Would you like to come? You say sure. That sounds nice. What time? Anna says, how about 6? You say 6 is perfect. See you then. Anna says, see you later. You say bye. This is another very useful everyday conversation. Remember, the goal of this lesson is not to memorize every sentence perfectly. The goal is to become comfortable with English. Listen to the sentences several times. Repeat them slowly. Then try to speak without looking at the screen. You can also pause the video after each sentence and say it yourself. This is called speaking practice. It is a simple method, but it can make a big difference. Let us finish today with a quick review. Good morning. How are you today? I am good, thank you. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 7. What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. What would you like? I would like a cup of coffee, please. Where can I find the vegetables? They are in aisle 5. What are you doing this weekend? I am going to the park. Can you help me, please? Sure. What do you need? What do you like to do in your free time? I like listening to music and watching movies. Would you like to come with me? Yes, that sounds great. Wonderful job today. You have practiced many useful English conversations for everyday life. If some sentences felt difficult, do not worry. Practice is more important than perfection. Listen again tomorrow and repeat the sentences. Try to use at least 3 new English sentences in your real life today. Even a small amount of practice can help you improve. If you are a beginner, remember that every English speaker was once a beginner. You do not need to speak perfectly. You only need to keep going. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I am Jessica, and this is Learning English USA. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking English every day. Your confidence will grow with every conversation. I will see you in the next English lesson. Have a wonderful day, keep learning, and keep speaking English.